In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a heart icon in Figma. First, open Figma and sign in. On your dashboard, pick the project or file where you want to add a heart icon. If you're starting fresh, you can open any existing design or create a new frame so you have a clear space to work. The important thing is to be inside the editor so you can insert and customize the icon. With your file open, press Shift+I on your keyboard to open the Resources panel. This is where you can search across libraries and community assets without leaving your canvas. In the search bar, type heart and give it a moment to load the results. You'll see a range of options, from simple outline hearts to filled or stylistic variations. Click the heart icon you like to preview it, then click Insert in the bottom right of the panel. The icon will drop into your canvas at a default size. From here, move it into position by dragging it and resize it using the corner handles. If you want to keep the proportions perfect while scaling, hold the Shift key as you drag. You can also nudge it precisely with your arrow keys. With the icon selected, look to the right side Properties panel. This panel lets you adjust size, rotation, alignment, constraints, and other common settings so the icon fits neatly into your layout. To change the outline color of your heart, keep the icon selected and find the Selection Colors section in the Properties panel. Click the color swatch there to open the color controls. You might see a Libraries tab first. Switch to the Custom tab to access the full color picker. Choose any color that matches your design system, or paste in a specific hex value if you have brand colors. As you adjust, you'll see the heart update on the canvas in real time, which makes it easy to fine-tune contrast and visual weight. If your heart icon is an outline, changing the stroke color will give it a crisp, clean look. If it includes a fill, you can set that too from the same panel, ensuring consistency across your UI elements. Feel free to tweak stroke weight or add effects like a subtle drop shadow if your design style calls for it. And that's it. You've added a heart icon from Resources, positioned and resized it on your canvas, and customized its color using Selection Colors for a polished, on-brand result. Save your file, and you're ready to reuse this icon anywhere in your project.